This might be the most exciting viral channel that I've found yet. Faceless is using a combination of good prompts and simple video generations, and their most popular short has over 17 million views on YouTube. Social Blade estimates they are making over $100,000 a month, but it gets better. Along with the 420,000 subs they have on YouTube, they have another 200,000 on TikTok and millions more views. The shorts they are posting aren't even that complicated. In fact, give me just a few minutes and I'll show you exactly how to create them. Make sure to stick around until the end though. I've got some ideas on how to carve out your own space in this niche and skyrocket your views. Now to start, I want to take a screenshot of the channel that I want to imitate. Now we'll head over to ChatGPT, upload that image, and type the following prompt. I want to create a YouTube Shorts channel with videos similar to the ones in the image provided. Can you please provide 10 image prompts like these for me to start with? Great! We've got 10 prompts that will produce stunning visuals. For our images, we'll jump over to Leonardo.ai. I'm going to use the Phoenix 1.0 model. Leave Prompt Enhance on, and I will switch the style to cinematic. For these generations, I want to set the generation mode to quality. Then we'll make sure the aspect ratio is set for 9:16. Now I'll start copying and pasting the prompts that ChatGPT gave me for each picture into the prompt section and hit generate. Repeat this step for each of the images. You may need to switch the model or the style to get exactly what you are looking for. Take your time on this step. Getting really good images will really improve the quality of the videos you get later. Next up, video generation. I like to use Krea.ai for my video generation projects. It gives me access to Kling, Hilo, Runway, and Luma, along with a few lesser-known generators. With all these options, I'm sure to get the type of video I'm looking for. With all of the images I created, I don't want the birds flying around or doing anything that will create weird morphing during the videos. In the prompt box, I'm going to specify this: the bird calmly sitting on a branch, chirping and moving in a happy manner. Now, aspect ratio will be vertical, and I want a 10-second generation. Awesome, that's a good generation. I'll repeat this process for each image that I generated before moving on. Okay, to get our sound effects and background music, I'm going to jump over to Pixabay. This is a stock site that has copyright-free images, music, sound effects, and more. The last step is to jump into your favorite video editing software to combine the videos, music, and sound effects. Because these clips are about 10 seconds with no transitions, even the editing is extremely simple. Even if you've never edited before, you'll be able to put these clips together in just a few minutes after a basic editing tutorial. If you want advice on editing, jump over to my AI creators community and you can message me directly. I'll leave the link in the description. Before I show off the generations, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It's easy and supports the channel a ton. Okay, let's check out the videos I was able to make. Pretty cool. You now know exactly what and how Beats is generating millions of views a month. But as promised at the start of the video, I've got a few tips to make this niche yours and earn even more. First, don't do birds. Beats is crushing this space, and instead of competing with that channel, why not do something similar with a different animal? Exotic animals could be good, desert animals, mothers and their young, sea creatures. The possibilities are endless. Second, post everywhere. Beats has done well on YouTube and started TikTok later, but hasn't touched Instagram. Shorts like this are going to get views wherever you post them. Use all 3 platforms for best results. Lastly, affiliate links. Beats is doing something very smart. Their followers are very likely to be or have birds. Right in the About section of their profile, they have a link to a bird toy package on Amazon. If anyone clicks on this link and buys, they'll get a small commission. This is one more way you could monetize a channel like this that is very low effort. With the tools and strategies we've covered, you can easily replicate bets, or even better, carve out your own unique space in the shorts niche. Whether you focus on exotic animals, post across multiple platforms, or leverage affiliate links for monetization, the opportunities are endless. Now it's your turn. Start creating, start posting, and start growing your channel today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join my AI creators community for even more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.